So you're over 40 years old, you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but you can't nail down a good niche, and it's stressing you out. Well, believe me, I feel that stress also. And you know what? I'm tired of being stressed out. I'm over 50 years old, and I don't think you need a niche down. See, the way I look at it is, kids are out of the house, you're starting to pick up some hobbies that lead to more hobbies, that lead to more hobbies other than that. So why bother niching down? This is the prime time to explore, to experiment, and get your hands into whatever you can. And I think that you're going to find that all of your hobbies have some overlap. So the hobbies or side hustle businesses that we currently have right now is woodworking. Of course, I'm a diesel mechanic. Both of those are hands-on. My woodworking overlaps with laser engraving. The laser engraving is part of my hat business, doing leather patched hats. And we've just currently gotten into 3D printing. There's a video coming out about that because we actually make a lot of money doing 3D printing. And we have a small print farm or print garden. I'm not sure which one it is. But why should I, as a YouTuber, feel the need to niche down? If those are my hobbies and those are the things that interest me, why not make content on all of those interests? They're loosely tied together. They're all hands-on. And maybe if you have a cooking channel, gardening would be into that. Indoor gardening, maybe you get some herbs, as well as home decor and stuff like that. It all overlaps. So I don't feel like if you're over 40 years old that you really need to niche down so specific that it's only woodworking. Okay, because I'll guarantee you people my age that are woodworking are also thinking about, how can I sell those crafts? What if I got a laser engraver as a tool in my shop? Well, we'll get into some laser engraving stuff. And then what's that turn into? As I'm watching YouTube, it turns into 3D printing. Maybe a CNC. I don't have a CNC yet, but it's coming. And on top of all of those hobbies, I also run my own small business. So I may be doing some videos on that also. And that's part of the niche. The niche is, how can you make some money out of your garage, out of your shop? How can you incorporate laser engraving, or other tools, 3D printing, and how do you sell that stuff? We don't use Etsy, we use Shopify. So we'll be doing some stuff on that. And I feel like the people that have some interest in woodworking, they probably have some interest in all of that. It's all hands-on type of stuff. So do you need to niche down? I don't believe so. However, I'm still a small channel, so that's yet to be determined. Let me show you some of the stuff that we've got going on. Over here behind me, we have, it's hard to see, the lighting kind of sucks. We have our big CO2 laser over there, and we have a little diode laser here. We do custom made hats, custom signs. We laser engrave our cutting boards, our charcuterie boards. Whatever we can put something into the laser, we always try. Personalizes a little bit. And of course we have the woodworking part of the shop. Table saw, assembly bench. I have a video on how I made this assembly table. So go ahead and check that out. I am also a diesel mechanic. Here's my toolbox behind me. I have a video on that where I do a toolbox tour, drawer by drawer. So go check that video out. So I think as a person over 40 years old, you've already got your career going. Maybe you've even early retired, like I have, and now all you have are your hobbies. So why not put them out there for the world to see? I mean, what do you get to lose? If you find that it's not working and people are commenting that you're all over the place, maybe niche down after a while, but if you only have a few thousand subscribers, I mean, why niche down? Let your audience grow. Let your audience figure out what your niche is going to be, as well as what you enjoy doing. So, thanks for watching. I don't think you need to niche down. I'm going to keep making videos. I got some 3D printing videos to make. We just sent a big order out. through Shopify. And I think that would make a really good video series. How we do that, how we cornered our part of the market. We have kind of a niche part of the market for 3D printing. So video coming out on that. And I even have some firewood videos coming out. So stay tuned. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.